Well, it's BVE 2019 and I am at the Garland stand, and of course, as always, I am talking with Lorna. Hi Lorna.
Hi there John, hi.
So Lorna, what are you guys showing this year at BVE?
Well, this year, as usual, we are showcasing some of our key suppliers and some of the really exciting products that they have. So here, on this part of the stand, we have NTT's HD1100 4K hardware-based encoder-decoder contribution system. It's very high quality with single slice encoding. It's got a maximum bit rate of 200 meg, that's a video, bit rate of 160. Very fast boot up, low latency, sort of 100 to 120 milliseconds, which is fantastic for 4K. It's HFR, high frame rate ready, 120 frames per second. And you know, the roadmap is a release for a multi-channel HD, as well as your single 4K channel. So that product is really going places.
And another product up with this area, I think?
Yeah, NTT have a brand new single channel HEVC encoder. It's a half rack size, it's got one frame of latency, but what a nice feature is something called seamless protection switching. So that's where you have two IP outputs, 8 channels embedded audio, you know, the typical, you know, feature-rich product you'd expect from NTT.
Brilliant, that's great. Now we've got some other areas of the stand to have a look at, so let's go over there.
Okay.
So Lorna, we're in a different area of the stand, and obviously we've seen you quite a lot at BVE, but we've never seen you in front of Artel equipment. Tell us about that.
No, that's right. So Artel are a leader in media transport solutions, and they are a new partner of us, you're absolutely right. Today at the show there's a lot of talk about the SMPTE standards for uncompressed delivery of SDI over IP networks, and their solutions support SMPTE 2022-7 hitless protection. A good example is the smart module here, and later in the year there's going to be support for 2110 with the associated PTP timing that's required. We've already got good business actually on Artel's Quora PTP switch for AES67 audio. Artel are also a founding member of the RIS standard for reliable streaming over the public internet. I'll give an example. Here is, this is the box that we use for ARQ streaming over the public internet, and it's a good example of what we do with Artel. Also today on the stand we've got MediaXL, who are our OTT distribution partner, and they've got reliable, flexible, feature-rich Hero platform, both in 4K and HD. Okay. Also, we mustn't forget that every screen on this stand is powered by StreamView's IPTV, fully integrated and modular IPTV solution. In fact, it's used for stadiums, venues, and we're supporting this system. In fact, it's what's been used all over Ascot racecourse, so it's very reliable. Okay, right. I would just like to hand you over to Malcolm Harland, my co-director, who's going to talk to you about LiveView.
Lorna, thank you very much. We're going to have a chat with Malcolm. Okay. So Malcolm, you're the managing director, and Lorna has handed over the responsibility of talking about LiveView to you. So tell us about what we've got here.
Excellent, thank you for that. So LiveView we've worked with for over 10 years now, and their products constantly evolved into the generations that we've got today. So the LU600 is the latest generation broadcast grade product. HEVC, that's a key factor for us. It means the same quality at half the bandwidth, or increased quality where you've got more bandwidth available, and it's completely field-based. It can connect to cellular, it can connect to Wi-Fi, it can connect to satellite. And joining the LU600, actually 2 members of the family, one that we've got here today, one that we don't, but basically the same format of product. HEVC, this is the LU300, small form factor, 2 internal modems, and the same encoding, so that you've got very high picture quality at the same bandwidth, and equally what you've got then is great battery life because it's a hardware-based chipset, so a user in the field can take this out, they can use it for 3 hours and not worry about charging the battery. Joining this actually then is a rack mount version, so very popular for either flyaway systems or for vehicles, where then they can connect to Ka band, they can have a satellite dish on the roof, and they get all of the benefits of bonded cellular technology, variable bit rates, no problems where you're mobile. So all of that comes together in really affordable packages and deployed globally already.
Amazing as always. Now you guys have a massive range of products.
Yep.
If people weren't able to come and see you here at BVE and they want to find out more, is there a website they can go to?
There is a website they can go to. It's www.gpl-uk.co.uk.
Brilliant, Malcolm. Thank you very much. Well, there you go. You want to find out more about the impressive range of products that you can get here at Garland, go and have a look at the website. For even more from us at BVE 2019, go to kitplus.com.